This is another project from Smithsonian's Maker Lab book. We're making DNA strands from paper and painter's tape. These are supposed to be twisted and they make for a great decoration in your room. They were fun to make and very easy to make too. If you want to see more pictures or buy the book, click the link in the iCard to buy it from our website. I hope you enjoyed this project. You can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and following us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or Google+. Visit our website by clicking the iCard to find links to follow us. If you are on Pinterest, pin our projects to your wall. This is a great way to keep track of your favorite projects. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, to find lots of other kids' craft projects.